I love seeing and experiencing firsthand the extraordinary beauty that we have. And I try to recreate in my own photographs the emotional impact that I have experienced. Very sensitive to the surroundings, the environment, the birds chirping, grasshoppers or whatever happen to be going by. I'm very attuned to that. It just makes your life so much richer. It's emotionally impactful. So they're just not quick, pretty pictures. There's a lot more depth to those things. And I like to be able to try to create that kind of imagery. That's what Wyoming allows me to do. I can go out, climb one of these hills, sit on a rock, just listen to the quiet. It gives me very great, deep peace. That's Wyoming.